Hey.
Hey,
Go ahead.
what's up, guys? We're doing a woodworking too. This time it's actually gonna be we're making a bench. So there's probably be a part 2 of this video to put the log over there.
Show them. Hi, this is Grandpa, by the way. But what we're going to show them what we're going to do. That is going to be one leg of the bench.
And
yeah.
If you're wondering what we're gonna do, we're gonna use this and that.
Channel it out.
Well, I can get the hatchet, try to get those out while you do the grooves in here.
Too much moving on that camera, you're going to make people sick.
And
Too much.
then this log right here is gonna go.
You gotta go slow too.
Up there on those two things, and then we're gonna cut kind of like things right there to make a chair.
Probably 3, maybe 4 spots.
So my plan, what I would do is I would cut a giant chainsaw mark right there, then do another one down there, keep going like that, then we'll make one chair, and then you can do it all the way across.
Yeah, so show them again. This is where we're going to channel it out. Channel these out here, and the log will sit on that, and then we'll do the same on that one. And we'll channel that out so the log will sit in there so it doesn't roll off. And then we'll do that, and we'll come back and we'll show you more after we get these channeled out and the log on there. Then we'll go back. Okay?
Yeah. Okay, you want to hold the camera while I do some?
You gonna do some whacking on that?
Yeah. Okay.
So he's gonna try to knock those out. Do I have the log? Hey,
What?
is it a log?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. See, that's working.
So if we keep doing that, we'll get a bunch of these little pieces that we'll just throw somewhere. We still don't know what we're gonna do with them. Probably nothing. Grandma's got too many tools at this point that he knows what to do with them.
And it might be quicker. And by the way, it's an electric chainsaw. It's not the greatest tool in the world. Very dangerous.
Very. Got a really very good chainsaw in our
Keep walking in front of the camera.
workroom.
All right, here. Let me go work on the other log. Figure that. Do a cut and we'll come back.
Okay. So find a place to set you guys up. Maybe. We're trying to play. Snap over here. With the chainsaw. Let me head over here so I can talk to you guys. So how are you guys doing? We're making a bench. If you didn't hear us earlier, so I'm gonna find a place to set you guys up. Yeah. Grandpa! Where should I set them up so we can both do work at the same time?
Well, I don't know if they're going to want to see this for now. You've already showed them up enough, and then we'll cut it, and then we'll start up, and we'll be further along.
Yeah. So, okay, that's going to be enough. We're going to finish our work, and then we'll be back later in the day with another special. Hopefully we'll be done by then. My Uncle Josh is gonna help Grandpa lift the thing onto there, and then we'll come back in there. Peace.